We'd just like to thank all the customers of VivaMK network, just to say thank you so much for all the presents we've received this year for our families. It's been really, really generous. They are all going to go to fantastic homes. We have lots of families who often struggle at Christmas trying to provide enough toys for their families, so it's going to be really, really nice. Some families will be able to have them delivered to them. Some families will be able to come in and pick some of the presents that they're going to give to their children themselves. So a massive thank you for your generosity.